Ever pondered the intricacies of mutual funds? Today, we unravel this financial enigma. In the simplest terms, mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool together money from multiple investors. This money is then used to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. It's like carpooling your investments for a journey through the stock and bond markets without needing to be an expert driver. Mutual funds come with a host of benefits. They provide diversification, essentially spreading the risk across a variety of investments. They are managed by professionals who dedicate their time to track and analyze market trends. Plus, they offer liquidity, meaning you can buy or sell your shares on any business day. Now, imagine walking into an investment supermarket. There are equity funds, the fruits section filled with stocks of companies. Then there are bond funds, the vegetables aisle offering different types of bonds. And if you want a mix of both, head over to the balanced funds. Specialized funds such as index funds or sector-specific funds are like your gourmet delicacies. Investing in mutual funds is straightforward. You buy shares in the mutual fund, and a fund manager makes investment decisions on your behalf. The net asset value, or NAV, calculated daily, determines the price of these shares. However, like any investment, mutual funds carry risks. Market risk, liquidity risk, and various fees are part and parcel of mutual fund investments. Hence, always read the fund's prospectus and understand its expenses before investing. Getting started with mutual fund investing is as easy as opening an account with a brokerage or through a financial advisor. Be mindful, though, some funds require a minimum investment. Once invested, it's crucial to monitor the mutual fund's performance. Regular review of your funds and rebalancing when necessary helps keep your investment strategy on track. In a nutshell, mutual funds pool money to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals, offering a convenient way for individuals to invest in the market. So consider mutual funds as a part of your investment strategy. For more information on mutual funds, check out the resources linked below. And if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more financial education.